Presents. Max and Rhett are beginning to open their presents, and he's going nuts.
What's in there, Rhett? What's in there? Is it a tree trunk with a bunch of squirrels? He's already done it.
Yeah!
And here's Maxie.
Maxie!
Max, look at you, Maxie.
You ready to open your present? Whoa!
He's killing it. Platypus. Rhett, look. There are squeaking chipmunks.
Good boy, Maxie.
Rhett, okay. He remembers this.
Oh dear.
Rhett, look.
Oh my gosh, face is fully in the trunk.
He doesn't see it.
He's chewing.
Good boy, Maxie. Look at your platypus. Ooh, kill it, Max. Kill it. Get the eggs. Get the eggs out of it.
Okay, Rhett, you can pull the squirrel out. Rhett, look.
He says it can't be done.
Please. Good boy, Max. Oh.
Rhett.
Rhett, what's in here? There's another one in here. Look, Rhett. Look, right here. Oh my, please.
Maxie, you want to get the eggs out of the stomach? Huh?
They're hard to get out.
Yeah.
Look at this, Max.
Maxie, your breath smells. He's, oh my gosh, he wants it so bad.
Oh dear.
Ooh, yeah, Rhett. Molly, Rhett. Rhett is getting squirrel.
Look, Max, it's an egg.
Rhett, what's in
Are you
here?
doing video, Molly?
Yeah.
Just so that's a naughty.
There's an egg. Oh. Maxie almost went for the egg, but then he's like, no, I'm going to stay for the mammal. Or the, whatever thing it is.
Did it say platypus, Brandon?
Huh?
Is that platypus?
Platypus, yep.
I thought-
And it has eggs that come out of its stomach, and Rhett's face will never be seen again because it's going to be fully in that thing for the next lifetime. Merry Christmas, puppy.